everybody, have you ever wondered how the smell of a fresh coffee fills a room? Or why your wet clothes eventually dry on a line even without heat? What if I told you that these simple everyday events are powered with the same invisible force that chemical engineers use to purify water, create fuel, and make life-saving medicines? This force is called mass transfer.
While the name might sound complex, the concept is all around us. Let's break it down. At its heart, mass transfer is simply the movement of a substance from one place to another, not because you physically move it, but because its molecules are naturally spreading. Let's take our example of drying clothes. When you hang a wet shirt, the water isn't just disappearing. Instead, individual water molecules on the surface are turning into vapor and diffusing, or moving into the air. They travel molecule by molecule from where they are concentrated, the wet shirt, to where they are less concentrated, the dry air. This continues until the concentration evens out, leaving you with dry clothes. This is a key principle. Mass transfer is a molecular journey. It's not like pumping water through a pipe. It's a slower, natural drift from a high concentration zone to a low concentration zone. So why do chemical engineers care so much about this? Because mass transfer is the science of separation and purification. Think about it. We rarely find raw materials in their pure, ready-to-use form. Crude oil needs to be separated into gasoline, diesel, and lubricants. Seawater needs to have the salt removed to become drinkable, and pharmaceutical products need to be purified from complex mixture. These crucial tasks are mass transfer operations. Rarely can you find a chemical process that doesn't require a preliminary purification of raw materials or a final separation of the desired product from byproducts. In fact, the cost of the process is often majorly the cost of these separations. So how do engineers supercharge this natural process? While there are several types of mass transfer operations, in the most important one, engineers use a brilliant trick. They bring two things that don't mix into close contact, like oil and water. These are called immiscible phases. The secret is that a substance we want to separate will often have a different preference for these two phases. It might be more soluble in one than the other. When the two phases meet, the substance seizes the opportunity to move, transferring from one phase to the other, effectively leaving its impurities behind. Engineers design tall towers and complex equipment to make this meeting happen on a massive scale, pushing the separation as far as needed to get incredibly pure products. So the next time you see your laundry drying or smell fresh baked cookies, you'll know there is an invisible molecular dance happening right before you. It's the dance of mass transfer, the quiet, powerful force that helps engineers build a cleaner world. this peek into the engineering behind everyday life. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.